Why is this taking forever? Emails, the reporting, and the budgeting. And it is just Monday. Oh wait, what if? Yep, AI.
Welcome to AIIXX, where learning and adopting AI in all business areas is easy, engaging, and actually fun. Want to learn for free? Say less. Start with The Evolution of Artificial Intelligence, a journey from theory to practice, where we take you from science fiction dreams to real-world AI magic. Or check out Data Protection and AI in Corporate Use, a guide for buyers. Okay, so you want the next level? Our premium courses take you deeper into AI mastery. Conquer the basis of AI adoption in your business with our course, AI in Your Business, from readiness to real results. Or enroll to our Prompt Engineering Essentials, for those who want AI to handle the hard work. Books have always been cool, but eBooks even more cooler. Stop guessing and start using AI to supercharge your marketing. The Beginner's Guide to Marketing with AI shows you how to automate tasks, target the right audience, and create smarter campaigns. Knowledge has never been more accessible. Want AI to actually do what you want? Master Prompt Engineering hands you the secrets to crafting powerful prompts that get real results.
Alright, what are you waiting for? Join AIIXX and let's accelerate your business, professional development and future in AI.